Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. Today I have in front of me Retevis C1 waterproof handheld. It's a dual band. It can do VHF and UHF. Like I said, it's waterproof, up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. Now there's a few features here I really like. So I'm going to go through that here, and then I'm going to show you the website, and I also have a coupon code that will help you save $10. So I want to also, I'll post all that in the description below. But when I got this radio, I got the ones with the shoulder mic. I did not realize how much bigger, and since obviously this is a waterproof radio, how much bigger and more quality built the shoulder mic is compared to my other shoulder mics. And what I mean by that is I have the Retevis's other shoulder mic, which came with my RT85 radio. And this shoulder mic's been a good mic. I have no complaints. It's been through war. You can see the cords all kinked up. I've used it a lot. It still works good. Now, even comparing the wire size, the mic size, this thing is built really well. This shoulder mic is way bigger than I thought it would be. So that's one thing I like. Also, too, on the top here, there is a jack where you can plug in an earpiece. Like some of the, you've probably seen people, like whether it's at a concert, the security's wearing an earpiece. You can plug in an earpiece for listening in top of this microphone. So, and since this is a waterproof radio, it's going to have this, I call it I think they refer to the Motorola connector. It's not your standard K connector like your other radios have. So, which makes it, really good connection with this when it's screwed on like this. And another thing I like is that the channel selection is a knob. I like that because then I don't got to take it off my belt or out of the holster. If you change channels, I'll put the shoulder mic next to my microphone. You can hear it. It will tell you what channel you're on.
3, 4, 5.
Let's turn up the volume here.
7, 8.
So that's really nice. You can change channels without even taking this thing off your belt. I like that. Now you're probably wondering, well, won't the employees or someone bump it and then go off channel like to a dead channel? No, because what you can do is what I'm going to do is I'm going to program channel 1 with my repeater, and then channel 2 it's going to be radio to radio. Okay? The rest of the channels I'm going to program to be repeater or radio. There won't be a dead channel, meaning there won't be an empty slot. So no matter if they bump this, it's going to be either the repeater or radio. Either way, it will be a setting of some sort so that there's no empty slots. That's how I'm going to solve that. So I like that. Now, here's another thing that I did not realize until I got this. It does come with the cradle for charging, which works real well. But it also has a Type-C USB connector to charge. So you don't need the cradle. So when they give you this cable, okay, all you got to do is unplug it from the back here. Okay, and they supplied all this. And I can just plug this into here, okay? Now I can charge this battery. Let me show you here. I can charge this battery without even using the cradle. Or I can unplug this and get an adapter and plug it into, my cigarette lighter in my car to charge this battery. I like that. See, my other radios don't have that. I have to have the cradle, but I can charge it that way. So that's another feature. It's really nice. You don't need to use the cradle if you don't want to. So those are and I'm going to, and I don't know if it'll be this week or not, but hopefully soon I'll do some more videos on this. But I've been playing around with this. I'm liking it. You can get a programming cable for it, or you can just program with the keypad. I like the programming cable because I like to see the screen. I like to see my settings. I can see it better. That's just my personal opinion. But like I said, I'm going to post, let's go to their website here. I'm going to post a link in the description below to this radio. I'm also going to put a coupon code to save $10. You can select here if you want 1-pack, 10-pack, if you want it with the shoulder mic, etc., etc. So there's different things you can select on their website. So there you go. All the information's here. Like I said, this radio, since it's waterproof, would be good for fishing. It would be good for, boating, all kinds of stuff where you're going to get wet. And now I've gotten this radio wet many times, my Retevis RT85 radio, and knock on wood, I didn't damage it. But this radio can get wet without no issues, and I like that, because if you're outside, if you're doing construction and it starts to rain, and the shoulder mic, obviously, since it's waterproof, let me go back to the down camera, the shoulder mic is also going to be waterproof. So I mean, it's a really good radio for, like I said, construction, security, outdoors, camping, fishing, hunting, whether it's snowing, raining. I'm going to be, like I said, I'm going to be doing some more videos with this. I'm going to be playing around with it. We're going to do some comparison with sound quality. But in the meantime, I'll post that, like I said, I'm going to post that link down below. If you have any questions or comments, please post that also down below. Thank you. Please subscribe and have yourself a good day.